Hi, this is Ian Thompson. I just wanted to do a summary of our seminar we had yesterday at the golf course on downsizing. But hey, before I do that, I have to stop and think, wow, this is why people keep coming to Vancouver Island. Look at the day we've got today. It is so fantastic, regardless of interest rates. The demand is here. Is it always going to be super high? No, but the demand is going to be here to live, to enjoy what we do here on Vancouver Island. Anyways, back to today's seminar. Today's topic is about the seminar we had yesterday, and boy, it was sure good. We had lots of folks there asking excellent questions. Standouts for me was the difference between being a tenant and being a condominium owner. And those are so different. There's lots of confusion, right? When I'm a tenant at Deerwood, I'm following the rules. When I'm owning in a strata, I can participate. I'm on a council where they're interested in my opinion. So that was good. If you missed that information and you'd like to have more, just hit the button below. I'm happy to reach out to you and talk about that. Trina Boobraker's presentation was excellent, a lawyer at Johnson Franklin Bishop, talking about why you need power of attorney. You're helping your parents sell their house. One of your parents goes in the hospital and no longer can make decisions. What's going to happen? If you haven't got powers of attorney, the whole thing's over. You don't want to have that happen. So you want to get that set up and get connected with Trina, and she can get those things done for you. And then we talked about a reverse mortgage. A lot of those things are coming more into play now as people start to understand that banks don't want to lend you money when you haven't got the income like you had for all your working life. And maybe that's something you should be investigated. And of course, then we had a good discussion about where's your money going to go, how to save that money, how to invest it. Good presentation from Dale Hunnery talking about that. And probably the highlight, it's always Raylene Varga, our downsizing organizing specialist. She puts it in such a way that it makes you feel comfortable and makes you start thinking about, don't forget, this is going to take some time. So if 2024 is when you want to downsize, now is you want to get started and make sure your organs get out in a step-by-step way. So sorry you missed it yesterday, but if you'd like to get together, I can go over all the details for you. Just hit the button below and I'll make an appointment with you, okay? You have a great day and enjoy the sunshine.